Hello friends, I'm showing you this coat hooks wall mounted white 17-inch wooden modern coat rack. It's a wall mount with 4 hooks and a heavy duty zinc alloy wall hook rack for hanging coats, keys, bags or keys, anything. So you can see this really comes in a simple pack with this alloy hooks, and the wooden back is very nice and high quality one. Also comes with 2 screws and the 2 wall socket thing that you can use to fix it. So this is really helpful. It can goes in the back of the door or on the wall, and you can use it the way you want. And the quality wise and the finish wise, I don't see any issue. And you can also see that it is really a high quality hooks here and tightly hooked on a wooden thing. So this is a wood base and a wall mount. It can hold up to 100 pounds and really nice to have in the home.